Over the years, we've had some settling issues. I was noticed some outside cracks around the windows where the windows were pulling away from the foundation of the house on the bricks. So therefore I knew I had a settling issue. So I contacted Lowcountry Basement Systems. They came right out, scheduled an appointment, and did a very good job of assessing the problems that we had. I got a packet in the mail from Lowcountry Basements explaining the situation and explaining what would take place and what for me to expect out of the crews. They actually set 3 piers, 2 on one side of the house and 3 on another. And what they did is they set the piers, hydraulically jacked the house into the house up. While they did that situation, I was actually able to be here. They actually asked me to be here to view what was going on to make sure that everything was going to be done satisfactorily. The jacking system came up perfectly. All 5 came up at the same time, and we actually sat and watched the cracks as they closed. So around the windows, I was just very amazed at how smoothly everything went, and how everything progressed. So very, very satisfied with the final product.